So when you think of shooting from an Android phone which is not so flagship, what the first thing that comes in your mind? कि how shit it will look, right? क्योंकि जो रेफरेंस फिल्म ग्रैब से मैं देखता हूँ वो तो बट पता नहीं कैसे ये शॉट एंड इवन ये शॉट सब इसी फ़ोन से आ गए. आई मीन इससे नहीं, द वन आई एम शूटिंग फ्रॉम. हाँ इसी से. अब प्रॉब्लम समझो, जो तुम्हारा स्टॉक कैमरा ऐप है वो बना ही कन्वीनियंस के लिए है, तो जिस वजह से तुम्हारी वीडियो में थोड़ा ओवर शार्पन और डिजिटल लुक आ जाता है, which we don't want. So to come over it, you need something big. I mean, you need manual control, and that's the best in Blackmagic camera app. And जब से I found this app ना, I'm loving it. Not because it gives me manual control over every setting possible, not because it lets me shoot in highest quality possible on this tiny sensor, but something very big, जो कि मैं लास्ट में. By the way, I'm not sponsored to say any of this from Blackmagic Design. नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें क्यों बताता. अगर तुम्हारा फ़ोन इस सपोर्टेड डिवाइस लिस्ट से बाहर है तो तुम Filmic Pro भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, and that is pretty much the same app as Blackmagic. You get almost all the features of Blackmagic in that app. तो जब भी मैं बाहर शूट करता हूँ तो फोकस पॉइंट को 0.2 से 0.3 आगे सेट कर देता हूँ ताकि जो फ़ोन की गंदी शार्पनेस होती है वो चली जाए. And always try to choose the frames with high contrast, preferably backlit angles कि लाइट पीछे से आए and सामने you are dark. So it creates a high contrast, and always try to shoot at the time of golden hour. So you get a soft light and high contrast, and frame जितना vast हो उतना अच्छा. Because in cheap or even mid-range phones में you don't get a good telephoto lens, और मिलता भी है तो it's like meh. But if you have a good one, use it. Like for reference, this is 48mm. So it looks very unique and good in the eyes. But सब छोड़ के ना lighting को topmost priority रखना, and never shoot in night time. नहीं तो you will get noise in your videos. I mean only noise in your videos. So there is a golden rule which has been followed in every film ever been made in cinema history, which is putting your shutter angle to 180 degree or putting your shutter speed to 1/48 when you're using 24 fps. So it gives a realistic motion blur and resembles to what we see through our eyes in real life. But here's a catch. If the area is really bright, you can't really use this 1/48 shutter rule. Otherwise, you will blown up your whole video. So here one gadget comes, which is called, it's not a gadget, but it's a lens filter, which is called an ND filter, neutral density filter, which just clips on your phone and which lets you use any slow shutter speed you want. So these were some core principles of mobile cinematography, जिससे तुम्हारा level अगर यहाँ होगा तो यहाँ पहुँच जाएगा, यहाँ होगा तो यहाँ पहुँच जाएगा.